Mr. Commissioner, you're welcome.
There are dangers in our environment. Sometimes it can bring soil infertility when these waste they have been given on the soil, then they cannot give fertility to the soil.
So we're trying as much as possible to collect the e-waste, but then also set up a system for e-waste management. As a country, we are very, very lacking when it comes to e-waste. We have the policies in place, but they have not been put into practice. So what the project is coming up is to come up with a sustainable model that can be replicated. We did select Bidibidi because from our manufacturers, the private sector entities, they had distributed quite a number during the emergency phase. So we saw Bidibidi has that quite of a good feedstock for us to begin collecting and then supporting. But then also we found that there's the need for repair services.
We are at a process of putting up the satellite repair centers in each of the zones to make sure that the services within that zone are being covered around. So we did a very rapid assessment in each of the zones to identify locations where we will really put in the centers.
What we need also to do is documentation of best practices, because this is something that should be learned. It is part of garbage disposal, but it's also about the environment. How do we protect the environment?